Okay, today I create a simple n8n automation which actually provide your BPS uh, health condition. So you have a BPS and or your client have BPS. You are as a assistant, so you need to know your BPS load and server condition. Sometime attacking mode of your server come attack. So how can you notify and prevent this problem instantly? Okay, so let me show you the scenario. For example, you have a server on WordPress and MySQL, but problem is at 3 a.m. your server goes down. Okay, so if you have client, your client goes angry. So yeah, how it actually work if this condition happen? So our n8n check CPU uses, and obviously the CPU uses higher than 80 or 75, and the memory also. So it will execute as true and give you notification your server condition is very tough, very alarming, and you will get notification. Also you can set your buyer will get notification via email, via Telegram, WhatsApp, or anything. But here I set up Gmail. Okay, let's break down how it's actually work. Before I break down, just execute manually. It will execute every 5 minutes, but right now I just showing execute manually. Okay, what's happened? Okay, so after execute it goes true, and let's see, I get an email. So the email is alert details instance, CPU is 32% and the memory is 23% and other information. Okay, so break down each workflow. What's happened? uh, the schedule trigger here I set up this execution happen every 5 minutes. Okay, so here I can actually reduce or increase the timing, but I keep it 5 minutes. And then I connect uh, the n8n to our BPS server. If I run this execute on our server, then I will get the CPU information. So let me show you. Okay, for example, I just simply paste and I will get, okay, I will get the CPU 00 point and memory is 23.8%. That means there is no CPU load and memory load is later. Okay, it's okay, better condition. Okay, so these things I do using this node. Okay, so if I execute, then it will give me, you see, 3.0 and 28, and I fetch the data and I create using JavaScript. I actually it organize the data. Okay, so that I can run condition using n8n, sorry, using if node. Okay, so let's see what I actually write in the if else condition. Here I actually use one because our server there is no load, so that's why I use one, so that it goes true. Actually standard way is 80% and 80%. What means? So this means if our server CPU goes greater than 80, and if our server gated memory, that's mean RAM, goes 80, it will give me notification. Server CPU and memory goes 80%, that's mean the server is alarming condition, server is on danger condition, it may be attacking mode. Okay, we can write any of the score here. So yeah, so for example the scenario, uh, on attack running on your server, that's mean your CPU goes 18 plus, and when it goes 18 plus, then you will get notification. Okay, here are two scenario. If actually less than 18, that's mean it's normal mode, and less greater than 80, that's mean it's a actually alarming zone. Okay, I execute. Okay, it's actually goes to the false because our server condition is okay. The CPU is 3 and memory is 23. That's mean it's not uh, greater than 18. Okay, so that's why actually I am using 1 so that it execute false. Sorry, true. Okay, and it goes here. And then if I execute this true, I execute manually, but it automatically execute after 5 minutes, each 5 minutes. Okay, so what message I will get, let me show you my Gmail. Here I get another information, 3.1% and 23.5%, 23.5%. Okay, so let me again execute this workflow. Before execute, we can actually reload our server. Okay, so that I can instantly. Okay, I reload this server so that my server get pressurized. Okay, it go false, and the information is CPU is 0%, is still 0%, 23.8%. Okay, so let's see actually, is it true? 0%, 23.8 per 8. Yeah. Okay, we can execute this step. 23.9 our memory right now. Okay, so like this way we can actually automate our BPS. Here is I actually showing you simple workflow which contains CPU and memory. So there we can actually use visitors, page request, and a lot of things on your server. So like this way we can automate our web server and we get notifications every occurrence. Okay, so yeah, n8n is really blessing for us. Using this I can automatically gather information of BPS and danger timing. Thank you.